everyone, my name is Rhea Pettit and I'm going to take you on a little tour of my studio, which is a very short commute from my house. This is my studio, coming in here. Pardon the mess. Working on this piece right here. These are part of my heavenly bodies. Here's another heavenly body. Another one. There's Carla. These are just random, what I've been working on the last year or so. Another one. And then I have this one, which was a self-portrait. And this one of Yulia, who is an amazing dancer. And I also have a few playing card portraits. And this one was, of course, Warhol and Basquiat. Here are a few little my isolation portraits that I've just little quick studies that I'm enjoying to do. Right now I'm setting up my palette, getting ready to paint a little portrait of this amazing actress who was in Unorthodox, and she really blew me away. Oh, I don't know whether I told you, that one's too. So anyway, very short and sweet. My humble little studio. This is where I spend my time every day. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye. Stay safe.